After the big floods, this laminate swelled and we had to renew it. The first thing we're going to do is get all the furniture out. Of course, the weather did not allow us to get everything outside, so we will have to move from one to the other side the rest of the furniture. We will start by removing the board and laminate. We will dispose of the waste and thoroughly clean the foundation. We decided to freshen up the walls a bit too. After the second coat of paint, we start with the new laminate. We decided to bet on PVC laminate because it guarantees us 100% water resistance. There's no way we're going to move to make room for the next rows. Of course, a piece of cardboard does a unique job. This way we will protect against scratches, and it will be easier to move the cabinets afterwards. And again, move, clean, laying, cutting, repeat. After 204 pieces, we are done. Now it's time to glue the boards. After we have attached the boards to one part of the room, we will move the cabinets to make room for the other half. Once this wardrobe is attached, I will put silicone on the board in between the laminate, so it will be much more beautiful, and at the same time we will guarantee the entry of dust, water, etc. After we finished with the silicone, it's time to bring in all the furniture and put them in their place. Here is the result of our work. We hope you liked the video. If yes, you will make us happy. If you just like it, follow or share. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next project.